Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. This is our Frankie. He's got a test coming up, and we're going to be doing a lesson today just to see how he is and hoping that he's ready for his test. And it is going to be recorded so that you could see how he does, and hopefully it's going to help you by watching how he does it. Is it okay, Frankie? Okay. We're going to record and it's going to go on the channel.
Yep.
You're going to be famous.
Lovely.
Okay, so this lesson is just to see how he is. I never seen him driving. He contacted us so that he needs few lessons for the test coming up. So today, like I said, we're going to be just going around, see how he is, where the problems are coming from. Hopefully not many problems, because his test is just around the corner. Okay, is that okay, Frankie?
It's lovely.
So mate, I just wanted to go. I'm not going to help you as much. I'm going to give you the direction. I want you to drive as if you are in the test. Okay, and let's see how you are, let's see what you're doing. Okay, and if you need any help, I will help you, but hopefully you don't need much help. Is that okay? Start the car please and move on. Okay, okay, so your test is coming up soon, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and you've done tests before?
Done one test before, yeah.
Okay. And you done that where?
I've done that in Winchester.
Okay. By the way, he's not from Southampton. This is Southampton where I'm from. He's from Winchester. He couldn't get any test in his area, so he booked his test in Southampton, and this is the reason why he's having a lesson with me. Next road on the left, please.
Left. This one here?
Yeah.
A bit late.
Yeah, a bit late, yeah? Oh, sorry.
Didn't see the road come out of nowhere.
Yeah, okay. Okay, next road on the left again.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not late this time, yeah? What do you think you could have done here?
They could have pulled in there really.
Yeah, but because, left here please. Okay, if you got a meeting situation where there is no space for two cars, and if there's in a car coming, it's best you take the control. That way, if they don't stop, it's not a problem. If they stop, that's a bonus, yeah? So like here, this road, what if there's somebody coming now? What are you going to do?
Put into a space.
Exactly.
Right.
Don't hope for them to stop, because if they don't stop, then you're going to be in trouble, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm in parked cars on both. Where should you position in this road?
In the middle.
In the middle. Giving them space. Giving them space. How much space?
At least a door length.
Door space. Good. At the end, we're going to go left, but tell me, what can you see at the end? What can you see? So what's the sign? What's it saying to you?
Stop.
What does that mean?
Got a stop here at the junction.
Okay.
Do a complete stop.
Complete stop, yeah? Make sure many learners, remember this, many learners, they don't stop. So when you stop, make sure it's full stop. What if the car creeps now?
No, it's no good. It's not complete
You'll
stop.
fail, yeah? And you didn't put the handbrake on, that's fine. But I normally say to my learners, put the handbrake on. Why?
So you definitely know you stopped.
So you definitely stopped, yeah? But you don't have to put the handbrake on. But by law, what do you have to do? You have to stop.
Yeah.
So I hope those of you who are watching, if you do come to a stop line with a stop sign, you have to stop. You don't have a choice. By law, you have to stop. Traffic light coming up, we're going to go straight on.
Yeah.
How many lessons would you say, Frankie, you had?
I'd say about 40 hours.
40 hours in total, yeah? Do you enjoy driving?
Yeah, really
straight
enjoy
on,
driving.
Straight on, Frankie.
Straight on.
Okay. We always drive on which lane, Frankie?
Left lane.
Unless?
Turn right at the roundabout.
Road marking is telling you otherwise, okay? So if the left lane is not telling you anything, it means go straight from that lane. If it tells you only left, then you have to go to another lane to go straight on. Yeah? So in this case, this lane is going straight and left. So we're going straight. Which lane do you need? It's the left lane, yeah?
Yeah, left lane.
We did drift a bit there, didn't we? Try not to drift. You know, when you were coming to the end to go straight, traffic light, what's it saying?
Oh, yeah, green. Sorry, mate.
We moved to the right lane, then we came back, so make sure you don't drift.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, good. Try to look at the mirror before any change. That's one thing you don't do. Look at the mirror before change your speed. Change your speed meaning going up gear, going down gear.
Yeah.
Before braking, before slowing down, before giving gas. So any change of speed, what do you do?
Check the
Look at the top mirror, yeah?
Yeah.
Why? Because you want to see who's behind. So you look at the mirror before slowing down. Why?
To make sure no one crashes in the back to you.
Okay. And we look at the mirror before giving gas. Why?
To make sure no one's overtaking.
Exactly. To make sure, yeah? Very important. You look at the mirror, any change. Many people, they don't get why we need to look at the mirror before giving gas. What they don't know is before giving gas, you're speeding up. There could be somebody overtaking, yeah? At the end of the road, we're going to go right, please. Is that open or closed? Can you see who's coming?
Yes.
Yes, so you should be making decision when?
No.
Yeah, so is there someone coming? Okay. So a junction where you can see before you reach the end, what do you do?
No, if you're stopping or keep going.
You make a decision early whether you're
Yeah.
stopping or you're going, yeah? That's what the giveaway line is saying, isn't it?
Yeah.
At the end of the road, what did we have? Giveaway line.
Giveaway.
So what does that mean?
Giveaway to anyone coming past.
Yeah, what if there's no one there?
Just keep going.
Exactly. That's what the giveaway line is saying. Many learners, they think that, well, I'm going to stop anyway to make it. I say, well, it's not safe. Because giveaway line means stop only if there's somebody there. I'm going to go left here, please, first. Roundabout is the same. You look on your way. Anyone?
You're right.
What do you do?
Make sure no one's coming.
And if there isn't, what do? You go, yeah?
Keep driving, yeah.
Exactly. That's why the roundabout is there. Why is it there for? Flow the traffic.
Yeah, flow.
Flow, yeah? So if
Yeah.
there's no one coming from your right, what do? Don't stop.
Yeah, don't stop.
That's what the roundabout is saying.
Yeah.
Yeah? Good. Nice drive, Frankie.
Thank you, Abdul.
Yeah. I think the way you drive, you shouldn't fail, okay?
Well, no, I ain't failing, Abdul, because we use me instructor.
Okay.
So I'll be alright.
Thank you.
We'll have a lovely photo of me holding my certificate up. And you smiling.
Yeah.
That'd be the...
That will be a day, that will be my day, and then after you pass, hopefully we'll share something, how you passed, hopefully. Roundabout, we're going to go right.
Gonna go right.
Second on the right, yeah? So I mean the roundabout. Right is?
Oh.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I can go.
Okay, if they don't go, what do you do?
I'm gonna go.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, that's good. But you stopped, didn't you? What gear did you need?
First.
Okay, what gear were you in?
Second.
Yeah. So make sure you remember that, yeah? Yeah, so mini ones, sometimes it's a bit confusing because there's a car coming from the front. They both are on your right. So you are on their right, they're on your right, so get confusing. Soon as you go to a mini roundabout, soon as you go and they don't go, you look at them, give them an eye contact, and if they don't go, what does that mean?
You go.
You go. Because if you don't go and they don't go, then eventually you're both going to end up going,
At the same time.
and then what's going to happen? Yeah? So when you go to a mini roundabout, soon as you go there, look at them and give them an eye contact, and if they've seen you and they're not going, what does that mean?
Means they're letting you go.
There you go. Is that okay? Okay. What's the speed here?
20.
20. This is the road where the test center is. This is where we're going to be coming, hopefully,
Oh yeah, I remember.
to do the test, and you're going to pass, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. At the end of the road, I want you to go left, please. Left. As you pass the exit on your right, just look at it. That's your test center, by the way.
Yeah.
This is your nightmare. Coming tomorrow. Left at the end, please.
It's at the end.
How do you feel about the test? Do you feel...
A bit nervous.
Okay.
But at the same time, I feel like it should be.
Okay.
It's not impossible.
Okay. It's all about how you feel. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember, if you're not ready, you're not going to go to the test. So we know you can drive, yes?
Yes.
We know that. You know you could drive, yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now, have to pass the test to get a license.
Mm.
Unless you feel confident, unless you feel you can do the test, it's going to be difficult for you to go and pass.
Yeah.
You have to believe you can.
So
Okay? I always say that. I mean, on my channel, I don't know how many times I said that. In every single video, I say that. Unless you believe, it's not going to happen.
That's where I went wrong in Winchester. I let my nerves get to me, you know.
Okay.
And one little, doesn't matter, you can recover from it, but I didn't think that.
Yeah.
Didn't have Abdul here to tell me that, you know.
First left, please. I wasn't there, yeah? Okay. Hopefully this time, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so like I said, the way you're driving, you are driving better than most learners.
Yeah.
Okay, signal should have been.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, remember? Okay, so you must remember those little things. Okay, you did put the signal on, but you went off, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What do? You put it back on again,
on,
yeah? So you had many lessons. The way you're driving, you are better than most learners.
Yeah.
Okay, so we both know that you can do it. We both know that you can drive. The only thing that's going to stop you passing the test is yourself.
Yeah.
If you can't perform on the day, it's like acting. It's like performing.
Mm.
You have to go there and do what you know what to do. You know what to do. Just drive safely in the test. That's all you have to do. Okay, straight second exit. Remember, the examiners, they're not your enemy, okay? When you go there, make sure they don't make you scared. They shouldn't threaten you, you know?
Yeah.
They're there for a reason. What's the reason?
It's just to judge
To
us,
see if you're
to make
safe,
sure,
right?
yeah.
Remember, they have a job to do. They can't give you a license if they feel you're not safe on the road. Remember, your life is at risk, and other people's are at risk. Unless you drive safely, they shouldn't give you a license.
Did you say...
Straight on, please.
Straight on. Yeah.
So it's only fair you get a license if you're safe on the road.
Yes.
If you're not safe, you shouldn't get a license, should you?
No.
Why? Because you're not safe on the road. I mean,
safe,
you're a danger to other people and to yourself. So you just have to go and prove that you are safe.
Mm.
Yeah?
That's what my granddad told me is...
First on the left on the roundabouts.
On the left. Is all the instructors, when you're doing your test, they're going to know you're a novice. Obviously you're a learner, and they're going to take that into first left, yeah?
Yeah.
They're going to take that into... not going to expect you to be perfect.
No,
so
no, nobody.
You have a bit of leeway.
Yeah. Lee, follow Lee, please.
Lee again, yeah.
Okay, Lee.
Do you know what I mean, Abdul?
Yeah, Lee. Yeah, so you were saying about perfect. Remember, you're a learner, okay?
Yeah, it's not happening.
Yeah, and they're not testing a perfect driver. They know you're a rubbish driver. How can you be a good driver after 40 hours?
Yeah.
You can't be.
Yeah.
But what they want to see, can you drive safely on the road?
Yeah.
Because they know you're going to be good after you pass. Because you've never driven by yourself. How can you be good?
Yeah.
Correct?
Correct.
Yeah? Lee, yeah?
Lee.
So we both know, even the examiner knows, he's not testing a perfect driver. Is he?
No.
No. Why is he testing? A learner
Just if it's safe.
who could drive safely on the road. That's all, yeah?
Yeah. But we're going Lee again.
Yeah.
Get Lee's straight over.
Yeah, straight over. Okay, which way is it? Good, man. That's good. It's good. Yeah, so try not to do anything that you don't know. Try not to overdo things, okay? Do what you learn to do, what you know, how to go left, how to go right. You know how to deal with roundabouts. You know how to go left, you know how to go right. So you look at the mirror, put the signal on, you go roundabout, which lane do you need? You know all that. Try not to do anything more than you know. Because sometimes when you go to the test, you think, well, it's my test. I can't do what I've learned or what I did in my lesson. I have to do more. Well, you can't do more. You don't know anything different. All you know is what you've learned, and that's what you do in the test. Yeah? Try not to overact.
Yeah.
Be the perfect actor, yeah? Don't overact. People don't like that. You don't like a movie with overacting, yeah?
No, you're right.
Okay. What's the speed here, by the way? 60. Okay. Now, I don't know why they put 60 in this road, but try to do as much as you can, yeah? And how do we know this was 60?
Nationals.
Because there was a sign over there, yeah? few times. Yes, so when you're driving, make sure, those of you who are watching, is always read the road, look for the road signs, what the speed is saying. I mean, here as you saw, the speed is changing a few times, and if you missed one, you fail your test. Okay, so what's the speed coming up now?
60 again.
Imagine it just changes within 5 minutes, change 3 times. I'm gonna go right here, please. Okay, so when you're driving, especially in the test, make sure you read the road, look for the road signs, what the speed is saying, what the road speed is, and drive the road speed. Okay, good. I mean, what's the speed now? It's 60, yeah? I mean,
Yes,
look at the road. I mean, sometimes I wonder, should there be 60 in that road? But try to do as much as you can, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Good. Good. Yes, so I'll be surprised, Frankie, if you can't fail your test.
Yeah, yeah.
So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you've seen how Frankie is driving. We all wish him luck to pass his driving test. I hope he passes. We'll let you know on the channel whether he passed or not. And we wish you all the best, Frankie.
Thank you.
We hope you pass.
Thank you.
The way you're driving, I'm sure you'll pass. Just few things. Make sure you remember to look at the mirror before any change of speed. And we wish you all the best. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so don't miss any of my future videos. And hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.